In this video, I will show you exactly how to toggle between the step-by-step layout views and the list structures within your Typeform projects. Changing the way your users interact with your questions can drastically improve your completion rates, so it is a great setting to master. To get started, you will need to open up your form builder and look over at the right-hand sidebar. You should see an icon that looks like a palette or a collection of raindrops, which represents the design menu. Go ahead and click on that design icon to open up your styling options. Once the design settings panel is open, look toward the very top where you will see a few different tabs. You want to select the one labeled layout. Within this section, you have the power to choose your preferred structural format for the entire form. The first option is the classic Typeform experience, known as one question at a time. This is the step-by-step layout that limits the view to just a single question block on the screen at any given moment. It creates a focused environment that automatically slides to the next input line as soon as the user finishes responding. This is perfect for keeping people engaged without overwhelming them. However, if you want something different, you can select the list structure, which allows for all questions at once. Choosing this option transforms your form into a traditional vertically scrolling landing page layout. This allows your users to see every field on a single screen and fill them out in any order they like. It is a fantastic choice if you want to provide a quick overview of the entire form right from the start. By switching between these two distinct layouts in the Design tab, you can customize the flow of your information to perfectly match your brand needs. Whether you prefer the modern step-by-step motion or the classic scrolling list, Typeform makes it incredibly easy to switch.